eBay has just released a shipping service that's going to be a game changer if you sell trading cards. And I mean like Tom Brady going to the Buccaneers type of game changer. You see what I did there? With this service, you're going to be able to ship trading cards for under $1 with tracking. Now, before we break down these details, if we're just meeting, my name is Charles, and on this channel I'll give you the best tips and tools to improve your eBay store. So for videos like this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and let's talk about this service. So like I said in the intro, eBay has released this service that they call eBay Standard Envelope. So with this service, you're going to be able to ship up to 15 trading cards for up to $1. Yes, that's right, $1. Now this spans from Yu-Gi-Oh to Pokemon to sports cards, basketball, NFL cards, whatever kind of trading cards you sell, you'll be able to ship them for under $1. Now, there are some caveats to this service, so we need to break those down. Now, what you'll see in this breakdown here is you'll be able to ship up to 15 cards raw or 2 cards in top loaders. The value of those cards have to be below $20. So, unfortunately, you won't be able to ship your first edition Shadowless Charizard in a standard envelope. But really, should you? And you'll also not be able to ship graded cards in this service, so no slabs. If your cards are graded by PSA, Beckett, whoever you've graded with, you cannot ship them with this service. You will have to go with the standard first class. And before we move on here, if you're getting any value out of this video, make sure to hit that like button and smash it if you're into that kind of thing. Now, why is this a big deal, you might be asking? Well, not all cards are worth hundreds of dollars. There are a lot of low-level cards that you can still sell if you want to recoup some of your profits if you're going to be doing a box break, right? But in the past, to sell those cards, you either had 2 choices. One, you can ship them in a regular stamped envelope and hope your buyer says that they got it, and you never got your chance at a top-rated seller. Or 2, you can ship it for $4. You have tracking, but I mean, if the card's $5 and you're paying $4 for shipping, there's not a lot of money to be made. There's going to be a lot of other restrictions. I'm not going to bore you with them, so I'm going to put them in the description below. And I'll also put some links to some supplies that you can use for this new service. But now, let's talk about the important part, the price. So here are the prices straight from eBay. So as you can see, a 3-ounce envelope will be 91 cents to ship. Now, chances are, if you're shipping 1 or 2 cards, you're not going to get up to 3 ounces. You'll be at 2 ounces at best. But with the proper padding and protecting the cards so that they don't get bent, getting to the customer, we want to just assume 3 ounces. So 3 ounces will be at 91 cents. That's still under $1. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited to use this service or if you're even going to use this service. I look forward to reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.